My name is Amar and I did the course Speaking with Confidence by Sonal. Her course really helped me to speak confidently in the presence of strangers. When speaking in front of strangers, I normally start to stutter. She also helped me to understand that my body language and my posture can affect the way I'm speaking. So when I used to speak like this and shrug my shoulders every time, now I stand more open and have a broader chest. This shows that you're confident while speaking. She has helped me to understand that gestures can also be used to show when you are confident. It can also help people to understand whether what you're speaking about is a good thing or a bad thing. Sonal Dave's course taught me that speaking with confidence is a lot more than speaking with confidence is different to being confident. Being confident is when you want to act bigger than what you already are, or showing that you're something that you are. Speaking with confidence, however, is different. You're speaking about what you want to do with a good tone and body language. Thank you so much to Sonal Dave's course, Speaking with Confidence. I really appreciated learning how to speak with confidence. One more thing before I say bye. I just want to tell you how much the course has changed my life, not only outside but at home. The way I speak to my parents, my siblings, and Sonal Dave, she's not just a teacher. She's things from an adult's point of view and a child's point of view. She's more of a friendly person than a teacher who's on your tail constantly, non-stop. And I highly recommend this course for you because it's changed my life a lot and I know it will change yours. So for now, goodbye.